Hey everybody, welcome to Wisconsin Wonder Garden. Today we have the Kingbo 450 watt LED full spectrum grow light. And I'm going to show you guys an unboxing and quick review of this video to let you know what I think of it and how it performs. So this is my first 450 watt LED. In the past I've had 300 watts but never a 450. So right off the bat it feels nice and heavy, very strong. Let me pull it out here. Ooh, pretty. We see the different color LED diodes that it has as well. That way you get that full spectrum. Then you have your carabiner and cables for holding it up. Kingbo user manual. Tells you all about the spectrums that it puts out. Questions and answers. Warranty details as well. All in this brochure right there. And then this should be, let's see, is it a thank you card? Yep, it's a nice little thank you card that the company sends you as well. Giving you a little bit of a closer look at it. Very nice and clean. It's kind of cool the way these things look. See, you got your fan components on the inside there. So it feels nice and sturdy right off the package. Good quality manufacturing. Now I suppose it's time where we take this and plug it in. Alright, so here I am with the Kingbo 450 watt LED full spectrum light. And that is how bright it is right there. I'll go here and I'll point it this way so you can see. Very bright. It just lights up that whole area. I'll give you a look at the colors here. So on the camera, I turned the frame rate way up and then the ISO down so you guys can see this while it's pointed straight at the camera. You see we got reds, blues, and then regular ones. These got like two that just look plain silver, regular, like daylight you would say, and then there's a yellow one here as well. That way you guys can get a good idea of the different colored diodes that they have on this grow light. So overall, I would say this Kingbo 450 watt LED is well worth the price. It has a high quality construction. The plants love it. And it has a great spectrum for whether you're growing vegetables, flowers, anything. This thing will get the job done. And like I said before, it's a great price for around 89 bucks. You couldn't go wrong with this one. Definitely check it out. I'll leave a link in the description below to this one if you want to check it out for yourself and go ahead and buy one and start growing with your own LED grow light. All right, Ripley Sartain with Wisconsin Wonder Garden. Take care.